Jacqueline, best friends. You're so annoying.
Filming.
Jacqueline, I will kill you.
I don't think they leave like when you
No. Oi, what did you forget to do? I just want to hear the ladder up. Oh, see.
Can I cut your hair? Have it stuck in your hair so that it's not
front.
Yeah, but then you look like this.
Yeah, cut it. No, I don't want to look. I want it to be like short.
I heard on
like
on Fox, it's like, oh, brand new tune to Fox, Dirty
Do
Talk.
it there, just do it there.
And maybe I'll have a rap coat on now here.
Be like colour.
Okay.
No, actually, get a fringe.
Louis, you driving? Louis, see the far button on the left?
Yeah.
Press it. Now see the key?
Yep.
Turn it. Right. Again. And hold it there. Get let go. Get nice.
Turn the fan off.
Now leave it on. Louis, see that red button?
Yep.
On your right? That's the
What do I do, mate? Just put it forward a little bit.
lift the little red thing underneath.
He's going to crash the boat.
You gotta turn the wheel.